Hey guys, today I will tell you how you can withdraw money from Bybit to your bank account. So first of all, open the Bybit app and log in. Now tap assets at the bottom right. Then check that your USDT is in the funding wallet. If it is in spot or unified, then tap transfer, choose USDT and move it to funding wallet. Next, go to the main screen and then tap more. Then select P2P trading. Then tap sell at the top. Now choose your local currency, add your payment method and select bank transfer and fill in your bank details. Now click on save the changes. Now pick a verified merchant with a high success rate, then tap sell. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to cash out. Review the order and click on confirm. Wait for the merchant to send money to your bank account. When the funds arrive, mark the order as received. Your USDT is now cash in your bank. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.